Hi, this is Mona. I have a few announcements and a box opening. My lives have changed to Saturday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I already opened the box because I forgot to turn on the sound. So I bought this kit from My Fabric Addiction one, and it's a pre-cut fabric. I will be starting this in June. I will be sewing this live in June. And then I bought this kit from My Fabric Addiction. I will be doing this one in July. I will be sewing these lives on Saturday nights. We're kicking off Saturdays at 4:30 with Greenland Quilter. She will go live. Then at 8 p.m. I will go live. And then at 9:45, my so-called life will go live. So join in and all the fun. Oh, and I also had some other things to share. Where did I stick them? Oh. I'll cut my butt shut out. I ordered a bunch of bandanas from Allied Express to make some zipper pouches with them. And I already put them away because I did not know that there was no sound. And I ordered these pretty blue zipper pulls. I'm going to see if the blue and pink go good together. Have a great weekend.